Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a quick flip on this old wagon and we're going to be turning it into a cool looking wall shelf. So as you can see on this one, I already took the wheels off. It's not that hard, just held on by a few screws. And then you're just left with the seat pan here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean it out, vacuum it out, get a lot of this dust and dirt out. And then we're going to take it out and we're going to clear coat it just to seal in a lot of this rust and this character. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure for our shelves. We're going to have two shelves. I like to keep them even spaced. So this one is 27 inches. So for the two shelves, they're going to have to be at 9 inches on the center each. So I'm going to measure that out and we're going to get the points where our shelves need to be. Okay, now that I have my marks marked on here for my two shelves, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to pre-drill some holes so that we can screw the shelves in from behind. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this measurement between here so we can cut our shelves to the right width. Now we're just going to take some Rust-Oleum semi-gloss clear coat and we're just going to put a nice coat over it to lock in all of that rust and character. Alright, so while the clear coat is drying on the metal part of our wagon shelf, we're going to go ahead and we're going to work on the shelf portion. We're going to go ahead and give these a quick sand, get some of those splinters and things off, and then we're going to stain. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stain these with Minwax. This is Special Walnut. Should give it a nice kind of lighter look. It won't be too dark, but it'll put in the red nice. Alright, so now we're going to take our shelf pieces and we're going to put them into the metal part here. I'm going to go ahead and mark the spots where I pre-drilled my holes. I'm going to pre-drill where those marks are. Just so I don't split out the wood. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach it with some small 1-inch screws, but I'm also going to put a couple of these D-rings on the back so we can hang it on the wall afterwards. And that's our first shelf. Now we are going to come back and I'm going to drill into the sides here and just put an extra screw on each side just so you don't get any wiggle in the shelf. But we're going to do that at the end. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure these are square and level, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drill some holes into the side and then we're going to put some screws in there. And there we go, that's it. I used a little bit of a rougher wood for the shelves. They're a little bit warped, a little bit tweaked, but you know, you can use whatever wood you want, whatever you have on hand. But I think it turned out pretty good. If you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. And with that, we'll see you next time.